The last thing we want to talk about in this section is exporting and importing the store. This is a very powerful feature of Redux. So with Redux, we can store all the interactions of the user with our application in a single JSON file, and then reload the state from that JSON file later on. So with this, we don't have to launch the application and follow all the steps to reproduce a bug. We can simply reload our application in the same state as the user. Then we can look at all the actions that were dispatched. We can look at the data those actions were carrying. We can look at the state updates and so on. Now, there's actually a commercial tool called LogRocket that gives you this feature for every one of your users in production. In this demo, I'm just going to show you how to do this locally on your machine. So in this application, we have dispatched 4 actions. Now let's store all these actions inside a single JSON file. So we click on this button over here. This generates this file, state.json, and adds it to your downloads folder. Now back in index.js, I'm going to comment out these lines where we dispatch these actions. So I want to simulate a situation where we are restoring our application from a previous state. So now if you look at Redux DevTools, we don't have any actions, but we can bring all these actions from our JSON file. So we click on this button over here, then select state.json, and boom, there you go. So here are all the actions, and we can see the state is updated accordingly.